Hi guys, in this video we will talk about how to view or download overtime and leave history in the system. First we will talk about overtime history. To view or download overtime history, click on HR admin module. After that click on human resource and then click on employee overtime history. Once you click on Employee Overtime History, a page will appear where you can view or download Employees Overtime History. To view or download Employee Overtime History, first of all, click on Search button. Once you click on Search button, a search filter will appear on your screen where you can view or download overtime history either employee wise or project wise. In this video, I will prefer employee wise search filter. After entering employee detail, I will enter the duration in from date and to date field for which I am looking the overtime history detail. After applying an appropriate search filter, I will click on Go button. As soon as I click on Go button, the employee's overtime history detail will appear on your screen. On this page, you can view date-wise overtime history of an employee. If you want to download an Excel report of this detail, click on Download button present on top right corner of the screen. As soon as you click on Download button, an Excel report will be downloaded in the system. Now we will talk about how to view or download employees' leave history in the system. To view or download leave history details, first of all, click on HR admin module. After that, click on human resource option. Then click on employee leave history. Once you click on Employee Leave History option, a page will appear on your screen where you can view or download Employee's Leave History detail. To view or download Employee's Leave History, first of all, click on Search button. Once you click on Search button, a search filter page will appear on your screen. On this page, I will enter the name of an employee whose leave history I want to view. After entering employee detail, I will enter the duration for which I am looking the leave history detail in the system. After applying an appropriate search filter, I will click on Go button. Once I click on Go button, Employee's leave history detail will appear on your screen. To download this report in an Excel form, I will click on Download button present on the top right corner of the screen. As soon as I click on Download button, an Excel report will download in the system. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any query, please contact support team of EVA Software Solution.